Hey, so today I'm going to show you 3 amazing Chrome extensions for ChatGPT. I am now using all 3 of these every single day, and they've changed the way I use my computer. Of course, I'll leave all 3 links in the description, so you can just download them straight away. So let's get into it. So first up is ChatGPT for Google. So once you install it and you Google anything, it will also give you the response of ChatGPT, not only Google's search engine, right? And it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'll just Google this, best workout routine for muscle gain. And there we go, ChatGPT is giving its answer. And obviously you can imagine how insanely useful this can be. Because sometimes I do Google a question and I just don't get the answer I'm looking for, right? And I can't seem to phrase it properly to get what I'm looking for. So this will definitely help with that. Obviously you can ask way more specific things and it will give you way more specific answers. So it's fantastic, I love it. All right, so next up we have ChatGPT Writer. So this is basically an email writer. So say you get an email and you want to reply to it, right? When we hit reply in Gmail, you will see this little icon at the bottom here of your text box. So when we click that, so now we can have it write a reply to this job opportunity email that I sent myself. So we can just say, thank them for the opportunity and ask what my responsibilities would be on a day-to-day basis. Also inquire about salary and benefits. Make it respectful. So I can even put that there. Now we just hit generate reply. So as you can see, it recognized the job role and the company name and everything. And there you go. It's a perfect email. All you have to do is insert your name and their name and that's it. You can insert it. It'll be there. You can just send it. Very, very handy, even for quick emails because it just words it so perfectly, right? All right. And finally, we have another very cool one, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. It does what you think it does. So say we grab this video from Vsauce. So any video you want to watch but don't have the time to do it, or just don't feel like watching a whole 22-minute video, or of course this is even a lot better for presentations and I don't know, maybe TED Talks, things of like an hour plus, right? Lectures. Now when you have this extension installed, you will see up top here transcript and summary. Just hit the arrow and it will have transcribed the entire video. Then what you do is view AI summary. Open a new tab, it'll open ChatGPT, it'll paste in the entire video, and then it will automatically create a summary of that video. And as you might know, ChatGPT actually can summarize things very, very well. So that entire 22-minute video, it just got condensed down into these few sentences with all the pertinent, important information. So yeah, these are 3 of the extensions that I use every day. If you want to see more of this type of content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That's all I ask. Thanks so much. Have a great day.